everyone, this is Dean again. Welcome back to the channel. This is in Samal, Davao del Norte, May the 20th of 2024. Now, per somebody's request, one of my beloved subscriber is requesting if I can show what's going on with the front of the property. So right now I was able to hire a backhoe. Unfortunately, this costs too much. Really, it's about 3,500 per hour, but since they're already here, I would not have to pay for them for the mobilization fee. So they're already here because they're doing some work on the other side. So I was able to talk with the engineer and I was able to get them to work on this. No. Ayaw na. Dito na. So sayang kayo. I-slope na lang gamay. Wing. 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 Ikuan lang wing. Iana lang gamay. Kani area dire. Ana lang gamay.
Dili pa daw, ana lang po. Tama na ni.
Tama na.
Ay lala. Ana.
Inyo na lang anaon, kamo na lang ana. Kani wing kung saan mani. Inyo na lang yung ayuson. Ang boy. Kamu na lang mag-ayos ani para slope lang.
Oh, kanang maana lang siya ba? Ha?
Oo, yun ang stop.
Oh, ang sa pagsugod di kay dulot. Ana ba? Para dili siya mo pangpang dito. Oh, dili kay pangpang.
Tanggalon dyan ang kuan, stamp. Kuan man din private dito kay lang it has about 11 meters from the center.
Ay, abo na lang sa ano ba sa water line.
Pwede siguro mas maayos na lang tabo na lang din yan.
Bagay na daw siya. Bagay na daw siya. Go!
Can be pa.
Ako, kapalit ko ba?
Unsa kaya uli na nato diri kay ana lang limpyuhan lang dire. Ana iuli na nato. Iuli na nato dire. Kaya limpyuhan lang ana. Ano ba? Iuli dire.
May nanaw, tama na pala nanaw.
Yeah. Inana ang pinaka-best. Unsa kaya
Okay kayo na to.
unsa kaya
Okay na nga daw go. Tapos ato lang sa baka ni medyo nag-agkan kabay.
kani pwede man ni siya ibalik dito kay
Para mapila.
para makita.
Nanaw, gwapo kayo pagkatiraan na lang siya.
Yeah.
Yan, ang waste go, pwede na ito itapon sa waterline. Para katulik yung kalot ng mga kwan ba?
Thank you guys. We're gonna try to do it to the very end of the property. I'm not gonna show that to you, but the final work. Okay guys, this is how you're gonna be able to save a lot on using a backhoe or heavy equipment in your property. If there's a development on the distal part of your property, normally the mobilization fee is very expensive. Okay, it would cost you arm and leg. Normally they charge in between 7,000 to 15,000 for just demobilization, and then they're gonna start from there. They're gonna charge you per hour. So that's how they do things. So if you can get rid of that mobilization fee, then you'll be able to save a lot. So that's how you do things. So just kind of keep an eye on those. If you can do it with private entity, or you can do it with the government. So it depends, but the mobilization, you can save a lot if there's already there in the locality. All right guys, thank you. I know you can do it guys. It's just a matter of your resourcefulness to talk to people. Thank you. Bye bye.